So, hello, dear students. So, today I am starting our JEE Mains 2024 PYQ series. It will help you because if you, let's suppose you don't know the concept also, but if you will see properly the questions, how to approach the question, from where the question was asked, what is the level of the question. So, according to me, you just make some short notes if you want to write along with me. Just make a short note if this type of question was asked, so what type of conceptual knowledge we required to solve that type of questions. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start our session. Okay, so first question is there of JEE Mains 2024. So read the question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, aminobenzene and aniline are same organic compounds. Statement 2, aminobenzene and aniline are different organic compound. So in light of above statement, choose the appropriate answer from the option. So first of all, this question is more or less related to your, you can say, IUPAC or common name. So if you don't know the common name, little bit about the common name, if you don't have knowledge, so maybe you are not able to solve them. So aminobenzene, if you see here, what do you mean by aminobenzene? Here aminobenzene is written, aniline is also given there. Aniline, everybody know, generally we use aniline. So how aniline will look like? It's look like this. Similarly, phenol is also there. Phenol how look like? Phenyl ring and OH group will be there. This is known as aniline. If you will see aminobenzene, this is known as IUPAC name. So how aminobenzene will look like? Same as it is. This is the benzene. This is known as NH2 group is known as aminobenzene. You can say this and this both are same only. Are you getting a point? So this one you can say as it is same as benzene, like aminobenzene. This group, this one is known as amino and this one is known as benzene. So if you will see aminobenzene and this is different, they are asking, are they same organic compounds? Yes, they are same organic compounds. Then second one, aminobenzene and aniline are different organic compound. So obviously this is wrong, right? So statement 1 is true. So if you will read the options, which option is correct? Second option. So I hope this question is clear to you. So very simple question, just based on your normal knowledge of common IUPAC names, you can say they have asked simple question. So next question, let's see. Question number 2. So question number 2, if you'll read, they are asking ionic reactions with organic compounds proceed through homolytic bond cleavage, heterolytic bond cleavage, free radical formation, primary free radical, secondary free radicals. So something was asked to you here. Then this is a different question. Let's see this one first. This one is different question. Don't focus on this one. So focus on this question. They have asked ionic reactions. So if you know ionic reactions, let's suppose A and B, two things are there. Again, from which topic this question was asked? Just normal topic of bond cleavage. Bond cleavage is the very basic topic in general organic chemistry. You might have studied all these things. If we are breaking this bond, so this bond will be broken in two ways. One way, you just give two electrons to one and you just break like this in form of cation and anion. This is known as your heterolytic bond cleavage, and this is your ionic reaction, whatever is happening here. Now one more type is also possible. With the help of light you can give here, and it will be from A radical and B radical. Now what you did in this, basically one electron like this. If I have to show here, I can show like this. One electron you give this side and one electron you give this side. This is known as this your free radical, you can say, or homolytic bond cleavage. So simple question they are asking, basically in your organic ionic reactions they are talking about, in ionic reaction. So in ionic reaction, means they are talking about this reaction. Are you getting a point? So obviously if ionic reaction is there, so heterolytic bond cleavage will happen. No other possibility is there. Radicals and all will forms always whenever the light is given to you, something like this, then only the radicals are formed. So obviously, can you tell which is the correct answer for this? So third option you will get the correct answer. So I hope it is clear now. If any doubt is there, you can ask in doubt session. In basically comment you can do, so that I'll get to know. So let's talk about third question now. Third question, they are asking in Kazal method for estimation of nitrogen CuSO4 acting as a what? So let's see this question. You can make this little bit big screen also, so that will be good for you. So now I think it is proper visible to you. So simple thing, they are asking what? They are asking you in Kazal method it is used to estimation. So very normal question this one. First of all, if somebody has little bit also studied about CuSO4, it acts as a catalyst there. So remembrance based kind of thing. So you can make a note point of this or just listen once so that it will be clear to you. Same type of question will be asked to you again. So simple question, theoretical based. Then let's talk about second question. So second question is they are asking number of, what they are asking, number of optical isomers possible for 2-chlorobutane. So whenever you have to make basically two optical isomers, first you have to draw the structure. Obviously for this, how you will draw the structure? Butane first of all you make 1 2 3 4, and 2 position means you can give numbering from here 1 2 3 and 4. So then 2 chloro is there, it means second position chlorine is attached here. Or little bit clarity if you want, you can make like this. Chlorine is attached at 2 position. Clear? So now obviously how many chiral centers are possible in this? If I'll ask you simple question, how many chiral centers are there? So chiral means what? Chiral center means what? sp3 hybridized plus 4 different group. Chiral center means sp3 hybridized plus 4 different groups. This is the meaning of chiral center. So this carbon, if you will talk about this carbon, so this carbon attached with here methyl, here side ethyl, here side chlorine, and this side one more hydrogen, and this is sp3 hybridized also. 4 sigma bonds are there, sp3 hybridized. So this is known as chiral carbon. So if I will talk about number of optical isomer, so obviously it is unsymmetrical. Directly also you can comment 2 raised to power n, and n is number of stereogenic area, which is equal to 1, that is equal to 2. So 2 is the correct answer here. Or if you want more clarity, you can think like this chlorine one time can be at wedge, one time it can be at dash. So these two are only possible. If you don't know the formula also, simply you can comment here. So I hope it is also clear to you now. Let's move to the next question. Next question is a question from the GOC. So what they are asking here, just look, read the question. The set of meta-directing functional group from the sets are. So meta-directing they are asking here. If you'll see all them, for meta-directing you have to see wherever the pi bonds are there, right? Pi bonds kind of thing. They are known as meta-directing groups. So first one, if you will see, meta you know, right? Very well. Meta position. This is known as your ortho, meta. You can say para here with respect to any group if X group is attached here. Ortho, meta, para like this. Clear? So meta directing means basically you have to, as a trick point, if you want to remember here, you can remember wherever the multiple bonds are present. Multiple bonds present group are known as meta directing group. So first one, if you will see, CN is there, First option, let's see, but ns2 is there, right? This ns2, so this is lone pair donating, right? Not the not the any kind of this one. Like double bond is not there, so this also if you'll see, this is also electron donating kind of group. The next one again ns2 came, this option, so this option is not possible, this option also not possible. Then down one, if you'll see, third option, all have double bond, there is no single atom which can donate. If you'll see in this one also, this nitrogen lone pairs are there to donate, if you will see. So that's why fourth option is also not possible, so third option will be your correct answer. So I hope everything is clear to you. So that's all for today's one. We'll see more questions tomorrow. I will try to finish all the pyqs so that it will help you in the upcoming exam whenever you have. So if you have any query and anything specialized you want, any help you need it, so you can comment downside. Okay, so thank you everyone. So like, you can like and subscribe my channel if you like.